Hey guys, how are we doing today? Mike with Blue Phase Plus. Thanks for tuning in. I got another RV video. We just got done doing our bug screens on the appliances around back. Check out that video. Check out some of my other stuff. But anyway, today I am going to install a pressure water regulator by Camco. It's a product you want to use on your camper. Helps reduce the PSI, the water pressure, so you don't blow any lines. I used the cheap one from Home Depot and I had some lines blow out, so I'm going to replace that one with one of these Camcos. I'm going to show you right here. So we got two of them. We got this one's like 10 bucks, just a base one, so I'm going to keep that as a backup. I even thought of just having two in line if it's too crazy, but I'm going to install this one right here. It's got a little gauge on it, just lets you know what the pressures are. Here's some of the information on it. You can pause it if you need to. So let's go ahead and open this up and install this. Alright, let's go ahead and open this baby up. Give you guys a close up. Basically, it just tells you low, good, or high. Obviously flows this way. I'm gonna also use this product here, Blue Monster. I use that on all my water fittings, so I'll go ahead and wrap a little bit of this stuff here. Like so. So let's go over to the hose where we're going to hook it up. Alright, so here's that cheap one I was talking about. I'm going to replace that with. Also recommend these Camco drinking hoses. I'm going to add this 10 feet. My line's a little short. Also for power, recommend surge protector. I have a short video on that one there if you want to check that out. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open this up and get started here. Alright, so I'm going to shut my water off here. Allow the pressure to run out the hose. Don't want no pressure in there. Alright, we should be alright. Go ahead and undo this. And I think I wanted to take this one off. Keep that as a backup. (40 to 50 psi). Channel lock just to give it a good little quarter turn. Oh yeah, right there. It's pretty nice. It allows it to swivel, so I'll have it face down so that way sun and stuff stays off of it. And we got our new hose here. Let's go ahead and hook that in. Alright, gonna make sure that's good and tight. I'm gonna tighten that. I'm just gonna hook this up to this real quick. Alrighty, let's crank her up. I'm gonna shut this off. I'm gonna shut that off. Let this pressure get in this hose, open it all the way. We got pressure out that side. Getting some water, hose getting us wet. And we'll see what happens when we put this on. Whoosh, right to the green, baby. Yellow, low green, so we definitely, that looks pretty good. Obviously check your leaks. No leaks. Let's go check inside and see how that works. Nice, good pressure. We'll be sure to monitor it, make sure there's no leaks. But as of right now, that all looks pretty good. Well, that's it, guys. That's all she wrote for that one. Straightforward, simple. I got the Grand Design Imagine 34 foot. I'm thinking about doing a walkthrough video if that's something you guys would want to see. This is a 2019 model. It's got double slides, real nice. Been camping it for about a week now. We enjoy it. We love the thing. Me, my daughter, my girlfriend. So we're just trying this thing out. We're learning as we go. I just want to share with you guys tips and tricks that I find with mine, so it makes your guys' easier. Good luck with your RV and your living, and hope this video has helped. And if it does, like, subscribe, check out some of my other stuff. Again, Blueface Plus. I'm a licensed electrician in Palm Beach County. I'm also reciprocating North Florida, Lake City, Suwannee County, Columbia County. So be sure to check out my number, give me a holler if you guys need some electrical work. I appreciate the work. Love you guys, take care, God bless.